Hello again. Okay, we're going to pretend it's Thursday and it is launch time. So, what I'm asking you to do is go to blakestinman.com today. What is the best time of day to post on Facebook? The best time to post on depends. The best days are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Check. Best times between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m., with peak engagement often around 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. The worst times are early mornings before 7 a.m. or late evenings after 8 p.m. For fundraising campaigns like this one, lunch hours between 11 and 1. So do this on your lunch hour between 11 and 1 on Thursday. Or evenings after dinner between 7 and 9 p.m. when people are unwinding and engaging with content. Since you'll be launching Thursday, consider posting around 11 a.m. and having follow-up posts in the evening. So today's Thursday. Let's do it. We're all going to do it today. blakestinman.com/snowball. This is when we all get to the edge of the mountain and gather up our snow and have our friends and neighbors gather up some more snow and have them get more snow gathered. And we launch this snowball and see how much it rolls down this mountain, how much else it gathers. So thank you. The link will be in the comments below, I think. The link is also on the screen. Oh, I should have put a QR code up on the screen. There will be a link in the text that I send you with the link to this video. This is when we do it. And this is the fun part, because if we all do it today, then we just get to sit back and watch. And once you do it, you're done. You don't have to do it more than once. But there's a meter, blakestinman.com/snowball. There's the meter. It says how much we've raised. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye out for us. I'll be posting some updates on what the snowball's doing. Maybe it'll go for a couple days. I don't know. We'll see. This will be interesting. Thank you for making this possible.